my name is Katie and this is Interactive Concept 4, and I'm going to be making elephant toothpaste out of hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, and yeast. So to start, I'm going to put my hydrogen peroxide in my container here. This is where I'm going to be making my elephant toothpaste. I have 3% hydrogen peroxide. I know that's not going to make as intense of a reaction. But this is the only one that they have over the counter here that I could find. So I have 3% hydrogen peroxide. And then I'm gonna add my dish soap. So I'll add a little bit of dish soap in there. And then this is just for fun, the food coloring, so that it looks more like a toothpaste. So I've got some green food coloring, add a few drops, mix it all up. And then I have my yeast here. So to activate my yeast, I'm gonna add, I have hot water here. I'm gonna pour that in, mix it up. So the yeast contains a catalase that breaks down the hydrogen peroxide into oxygen, gas, and water. So here's my yeast, I mix that up. Here's my solution. Let's see what happens. Move it back just in case it bubbles over. So that's probably because I have the 3% solution, but it is still creating a reaction here. You can see the bubbles rising up. Yeah, there it goes a little bit more. So what's actually happening in this reaction here is the yeast contains a catalase. So the catalase breaks down hydrogen peroxide into oxygen, gas, and water. So that's why you see the bubbles going on here. And the oxygen gas gets trapped by the soap, which makes it foamy. So that's why you see that foamy solution there. So everything is getting trapped in the soap, and that's making it rise. It's slowly rising even more here. But the bottle is actually really warm now. The water that I used for the yeast was also warm, but it's definitely gotten warmer because this is an exothermic reaction. So the bottle gets warm and the reaction creates this foam. See, it's even getting more and more now, and heat. It could also have not been as explosive just because I know this dish soap doesn't contain as much foaming with sodium lauryl sulfates as most soaps do, but it still does foam, so it's still trapping that oxygen into the little bubbles there, creating a foamy substance. Pretty thick in there. So now I have my toothpaste. Try it with, if I can see if I can find later, some 10% or higher hydrogen peroxide to make that a little bit more exciting. But that's essentially what's going on here, and thank you for watching my video.